Good morning, guys. Madhur this side. Today, I'm going to discuss on how I successfully scaled Google Ads campaign. So, I will discuss the pointers and then I will show you some practicals as well. So, initially, what I did is I set up the remarketing audiences. Within your Google Ads account, you can create audiences based on areas that people have gone on your page, or you can also create audiences based on what actions they have taken. Alright, guys, so what is more important here is if you have Google Analytics already installed, you can create even more complex remarketing audiences, such as someone that spent X amount of time on your page, someone that came from certain search or traffic channel and went to your page and what they did in that page. The more remarketing audiences you have, the better you can create a message to follow up on the person that you are trying to convert but hasn't converted yet. So I will show you the practical over here. Okay, so I'm on the Google Ads dashboard. So I show you from beginning. Go to ads.google.com, click on sign in, click on your manager account. Okay, so once I'm on the main screen, you have to click on tools and settings. Okay, then you have to click on shared library, then click on audience manager, open link in new tab. Okay, so so here what you can see, your data segment, combined segment. So first thing is you have to create a remarketing list, right? So there are multiple options over here: website visitors, app users, customer list, custom combination, or you could add audience segment from an account. Okay, so click on website visitors. So I'll say as lead route website visitors. Segment numbers, you have to select the type of visitors from which you like to create a segment. So visitors of web page or visitors of page with specific tags. I will select as visitors of web pages. Okay, then action web page visit here, right? So I'll say as past 30 days. So I want to do remarketing for the data which I have in the past 30 days here. Okay, or you could also add an action, so that is not required for now. Pre-fill options with people from the past 30 days. Description is optional, so this is perfectly fine. Then you have to click on create segment. Okay, so the data will fetch after 24 hours. So here it is, the new remarketing list. Okay, so here it is saying populating, right? So I have created multiple remarketing lists. So Fleetwood remarketing. So the search size is 40,000, YouTube is 18,000, right? Gmail campaign is 10,000 as well. Okay. Now what I will do is I'll go to Google Analytics here. Okay. So this is GA4 property of Google Analytics. Here, what you could see is I have 1.1k users. My new users are 1k. Event count is 9.9k. Average engagement time is 1 minute 1 second. Okay, so this is the data of past 28 days here. So I'll click on last 90 days. Okay, so here it is, 3.5k users. New users I have 3.4k. Event counters 34k. Right. So let's scroll down. See, this is the data you get from Google Analytics, like country ID, number of users. We have users from India, US, UAE, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom, Germany, and Russia as well. Okay, so here you get to know about the sessions, right? How many sessions we had to direct, organic search, referral, organic videos, organic social, paid, other, and assign as well. Okay, so I'll scroll down over here. So now I click on reports. So this is getting loaded. Okay, so number of users 1.1k. So scroll down over here as well. So here you get more detailed insights. Direct sessions we have 869, organic 539, referral 58, organic video 52, organic social 41. Okay, so here it is. By country, India 243, US 234, UAE 145. We have Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, UK, and Canada as well. Okay, so you get the user activity by cohort, then you get to know use by page title and screen class as well. So here you could see event count by event name as well. So number of page views 3.8k, event count, user engagement 2.2k, session start 1.6k, scroll is 1.1k, first visit is 1k, click is 112 as well. Okay, I hope this is clear. Acquisition, I click on acquisition overview. Scroll down. Now I click on user acquisition over here. So to direct we have 627 users, engage session 674, engagement ratio is 68.99%, organic search 263, engage sessions 321, engagement ratio is 73.46% over here as well. So this is the bifurcation which we have over here. And I click on traffic acquisition. So this is the traffic acquisition report. Okay, so which we discussed. All right. So new users 1077, sessions we had 1566, engaged sessions 1110 as well. Now you have to create micro conversions. So what is more important is you have to analyze your keywords and why they are not converting. People are getting to a certain stage but not moving on to the next stage. Changing something on your landing page sequence or on your site sequence so you can get the person along the way. You have to make that conversion that you are looking for. Okay, so I'll show you some practicals over here. Okay, so this is the landing page over here, right? So what you have to do is you have to do a lot of A/B testing with components on the landing page to come up with the winning combination as well. And you have to analyze your keywords as well over here, guys. Click on tools and settings, planning, keyword planner. Click on your account. Click on discover new keywords. I'll say as delivery software, software. I'll change the country over here. Okay, I'll click on Google Sheets over here as well. From this list, you can identify high competitive keywords, medium competitive keywords, and low competitive keywords, and then you have to do the keyword filtering over here as well. Okay, so you have a good list of close to say around 200 keywords as well. Then you have to target long tail keywords, keywords that has lower search volume, less people are searching for, but those keywords are very specific. Long tail keywords are actually more precise. Then long tail keywords tend to be cheaper and they tend to convert higher. It's about who can convert when they get to your site as well. Then you have to match your landing pages so as your ads to your keywords. It would be best if you had the messaging across the board. It's important to have congruency in the messaging. So how this is co-related here, I'll show you the logic behind it. So when I come on the landing page of last mile delivery software, so my target keyword here is last mile delivery management software. So what I am gonna do is I will target the same keyword in my Google Ads as well. So my ad copy should be exactly similar to the content of my landing page. So what is the primary keyword of the landing page here is should be the primary keyword in my ad copy in the Google Ads dashboard as well. If you are looking for something specific and you address it in the ad and you address it in the landing page, I'm more likely going to take the action that you need me to take. But just look at it for Google's sake. When they have the scores in the background, they have to do with relevancy, and that gives you a keyword score. The higher your keyword score, the more likely your bidding price to be lower than the actual other advertiser, assuming that all other things are equal. So actually it makes sense to have as many of those elements to match if you have a better pricing. Better pricing will allow you to bid more and get more volume in your campaign. So what do you understand from this particular slide is you have to have a higher quality score. Okay, so your higher quality score means what? Your Google Ads quality score should be 9 out of 10. If your quality score is on the higher side, by default your bidding price will become lower. See, okay, so assuming that the top page bid for delivery software is 338 rupees point 41, for last mile delivery software is 537 rupees point 79. So this is the cost of one click over here as well. So if your quality score is improving, automatically your bidding price will actually come down as well. It's important that you have all the ad extension. So you have to add phone number, snippet, site links, and all the ad extension that are available if you want to add them. When you do Google search, some ads will take up more space than others. The more real estate you have, the more likely someone is going to click on your ad. On top of your ad, this will usually improve your click through rate, which is another factor that Google takes into account when they are sending traffic to your site. So, you want to take advantage of this, it takes very minimal time. It adds value. It makes sense to implement these changes as well. So let's do some practicals over here. Okay, so here it is. So if I enter delivery software in Google search, the first link is Google Ads. This ad is run by Jungle Works over here, right? So this is the ad title, ad description. Okay, so these all are site links, features, simple pricing plan, request a free demo, last mile delivery. Alright, so these are site links. So automatically the real estate of your ad is pretty huge, and this has more probability to improve the CTR for your ad as well. So guys, with this I end my today's presentation. If you need any kind of help or assistance, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +91 98 502 76340, or you could send me an email at seomadhur@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your valuable time, guys.